My name is Boone Shear, and we are at the Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show in Ketchikan, Alaska. As soon as people walk in the doors, of course they see the spar poles up, and then once they get seated in our heated and covered grandstands, they see 13 events of lumberjack action. We do speed climbing, axe throwing, boom running, log rolling, do 3 different chopping events, and sawing, and just a rowdy, good, fun time. Well, you know, my favorite event is probably the standing block chop or speed climbing, but I've been log rolling since I was about 5 years old, so that's probably my best event. So I actually grew up in a small town in northern Wisconsin. It's called Hayward. It's actually the home of the Lumberjack World Championships now. So at the age of 5, I started log rolling. I won my first world title when I was 8, won my second when I was 12. Now I'm a 3-time world champion log roller, and I'm actually the 2016 Iron Jack World Champion. So I kind of grew up in it. My dad and all my uncles and aunts grew up doing it. They were log rollers, boom runners, chopper sawyers, speed climbers. So I kind of just grew up around it, and I told myself at a very young age, you know, that's what I want to do. From the moment that they walk into the doors and see the arena to the time that they leave, I just want them to have a smile on their face. They could come in grumpy, but as long as they leave happy and leave with a little bit more knowledge about the sport, that's what we're here for. I think that people, especially about the Lumberjack Show, they think that we aren't real loggers. We don't really try to portray being real loggers. We are timber sports athletes. So we take the old logging athletics and we've turned it into a competition. And that's kind of what we want to portray. We want to portray the sport and how hard the loggers actually worked. We don't want to claim to be loggers or take away from their profession. We want to represent it and bring knowledge to the sport and to the old history.